Welcome to a journey into the future of sustainable living. Today we're exploring a fascinating intersection of science, nature, and everyday life that could revolutionize how we think about wastewater and gardening. Imagine waking up in a home where every drop of water tells a story of renewal. The water from your morning shower, your dishwasher, and yes, even your laundry, doesn't just disappear down a drain. It becomes part of an intricate ecosystem designed to nurture life. In our current reality, using grey water in gardens requires careful planning. Most plants struggle with the chemicals in our laundry water, and we need to be extremely selective about the detergents we use. But what if we could change this fundamental limitation? What if plants could not just tolerate, but actually thrive on our laundry water? The science behind this possibility lies in the remarkable adaptability of plant genetics. Through millions of years of evolution, plants have developed incredible mechanisms to survive in diverse conditions. Some species can filter out toxins, while others transform harmful compounds into useful nutrients. Now, imagine accelerating this natural process through advanced genetic engineering. Let's break down how this could work. Scientists have already identified specific genes responsible for chemical tolerance in plants. Using cutting-edge CRISPR technology, think of it as a genetic scissors and paste tool, we could enhance these genes in common garden plants. The result? A new generation of flora specifically designed to process laundry water. These enhanced plants would possess remarkable capabilities. At the cellular level, they would contain modified proteins capable of breaking down common detergent compounds. Their root systems would be engineered to efficiently filter out harmful substances while retaining beneficial minerals and nutrients. But here's where it gets truly fascinating. These plants wouldn't just survive, they would develop unique characteristics. Picture roses that carry a subtle hint of lavender from your detergent, or tomato plants that grow more vigorously thanks to their ability to process phosphates commonly found in washing products. The benefits would extend beyond just the plants themselves. These modified species would act as living water filtration systems, gradually purifying the soil and groundwater. A typical suburban garden could process hundreds of gallons of grey water annually, significantly reducing household water consumption. The environmental implications are staggering. In regions facing water scarcity, this technology could be transformative. A family of 4 typically generates around 280 gallons of grey water per week from laundry alone. Imagine this water nurturing a productive garden instead of being sent to treatment facilities. However, we must approach this future with careful consideration. The development of such plants would require extensive testing to ensure they don't become invasive or disrupt local ecosystems. Scientists would need to implement multiple genetic safeguards to prevent uncontrolled spread. Safety protocols would include controlled growth patterns, limited seed production, geographic adaptation restrictions, regular monitoring of soil and water quality, and genetic stability checks. The potential applications extend beyond individual homes. Imagine entire communities designed around this concept. Apartment complexes with integrated grey water gardens, urban farms utilising processed water from nearby laundromats, or school gardens that teach students about water conservation while producing fresh vegetables. The infrastructure required would be surprisingly simple. A basic grey water diversion system would channel laundry water into a holding tank, where it would undergo primary filtration to remove lint and large particles. From there, the water would be distributed to designated garden zones through subsurface irrigation systems. The first generation of these enhanced plants might include modified varieties of common vegetables like tomatoes and peppers, ornamental flowers with enhanced detergent tolerance, grass species designed for grey water irrigation, and fast-growing herbs with improved nutrient absorption. The numbers tell a compelling story. A typical household could reduce its water consumption by up to 30% by implementing this system. When scaled up to a community level, the savings become significant enough to impact regional water management strategies. But how would these plants actually process the chemicals in laundry water? The enhanced root systems would contain specialized cells capable of breaking down surfactants into simpler compounds, filtering out optical brighteners, utilizing phosphates as nutrients, and converting certain chemicals into beneficial plant compounds. Of course, this technology raises important ethical questions. Should we be modifying plants to this extent? What are the long-term implications for biodiversity? How do we ensure these enhanced species don't outcompete natural varieties? Current research in this field is promising but preliminary. Scientists are already working on identifying natural chemical-resistant plant varieties, studying genetic markers for detergent tolerance, developing safer plant-compatible cleaning products, and creating more efficient water filtration systems. Let's look at how this might work in practice. A future home equipped with this technology would have smart water management systems, specialized plumbing for grey water distribution, monitored garden zones for different plant types, and automated water quality testing. The broader environmental benefits could include reduced pressure on municipal water supplies, decreased energy usage for water treatment, lower chemical runoff into natural water systems, enhanced urban biodiversity, and improved soil quality in residential areas. This technology could be particularly valuable in arid regions facing water scarcity, urban areas with limited green space, developing countries with water management challenges, and agricultural communities seeking sustainable irrigation solutions. Looking further ahead, we might see communities designed around grey water gardens, new varieties of plants with multiple beneficial traits, advanced home water management systems, and integration with smart home technology. As we conclude our exploration of this fascinating possibility, it's worth remembering that today's science fiction often becomes tomorrow's reality. The path to creating laundry-loving plants may be complex, but the potential benefits make it a journey worth pursuing. The future of sustainable living might be closer than we think. By reimagining our relationship with water and waste, we could create a world where every load of laundry contributes to a greener, more sustainable future. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of sustainable living. Remember to subscribe for more explorations of cutting-edge science and technology that could shape our tomorrow.